How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. 2019 RAV4. I'm gonna do something on the wheel well. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna do a little review on a product. A lot of people done this before, so I don't need to get really technical about it. I'm just gonna try it and see how it works. I'm gonna try this towel because these ones are my heavy duty ones. If they get really bad, I just throw them away. They're really cheap. And the product that I'm gonna use today, Barebones. Like I said before, I'm gonna try it. There is a lot of episodes, there is a lot of people doing these videos with this product. I'm just gonna try it because I'm not really a big fan of cleaning the this area, the chassis underneath, wheel well, all these. It's gonna get really dirty. The good thing is that if you use this product, it's gonna prevent cracking, fading, and probably it's gonna make all the parts right here last longer. So this is the only reason why I'm gonna use this product, because the underliner right here, I want to prevent cracking, fading, and this product hopefully is gonna make it last a lot longer. And I know it's gonna look good, but like I said, I'm not a big fan of cleaning here because it's gonna get really dirty anyways. But prevention is really good. It's better than replacement. First thing that I'm gonna do is clean it with nonsense. I have my brush ready. I'm just gonna clean it and I'm gonna use my towel to wipe it off. After that, use a foam applicator and apply Barebones to the fender liner. We're just gonna remove the dust and grime. Good thing that this truck is brand new, so this underliner is not really bad. It's in perfect condition, and this is the right time for doing this because prevention is better than replacement. Like I said before, you guys already know that. My brush doesn't fit over there, but I'm just gonna clean it with the microfiber towel. It's better to remove the tire, but like I said before, this truck is new. I don't really have to do all that. Even just like that, if you can see, I don't know if it's too dark for the camera, but even like that, it looks amazing. We just need to clean it. Hopefully the camera can see that. Just with the nonsense, everything around is super clean. So if you don't want overspray, you need to apply it on a foam applicator, microfiber towel, wherever you want to use is fine. But if you put it just like that, you're gonna have overspray and it's probably not gonna look good. So we're gonna spray just a little bit on the applicator pad. You can see. Smells really good too. Yeah, it smells good. It cleans good, but probably you won't see a lot of difference on this one because it's brand new. Let's apply a little bit more on the other side. I'm not gonna do anything on the bottom. This is just for this part because this stroke is high, so it's gonna make everything look better like that. Underneath, this truck doesn't need it. But if you have a show truck, those super lifted trucks, I think this product is gonna make everything on the bottom look good. And this is an oil-based product, so don't overspray it. You don't want to see it on the paint, I don't think it's gonna damage the paint, but just try to work with the microfiber pad applicator. A lot of people says that I was gonna love this product. It smells good, and yeah, they were right. If you notice that part right there, it looks really good, like when I get it from the dealer. So everything is clean on this side. It didn't took me a long time, really easy to do. I'm just gonna go again for that side on the end, that corner right there, get everything ready, move to the other side. To be honest guys, I get this product probably like 2 months ago. I didn't want to make the video because for me kind of like it doesn't make sense to clean this underliner. It's gonna get dirty right away. It's been raining pretty much every day, but right now it's really good, really sunny. But now, to be honest, now that I clean everything inside, I'm gonna tell you, this looks a lot better. Protection, that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna do this probably once a month, and not really often, probably maybe like 2. It depends how it looks. Okay guys, so it's done pretty much. It looks amazing. I can't get over that smell. It smells really good. Link is gonna be in the description for Nonsense and Barebones as well. Try it, see if you like it, because I really do like it. It looks good. If you have any questions guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.